Hello plus one. Today topic type of sets. So set builder form set A equal x such that x is natural number less than 6. Now converted this set builder form to roster form. Set A equal natural number less than 6. So natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So less than 6 till then 5. Second, B equal x such that x is integer and x is less than or equal to minus 3, which is equal less than 4. Means start from less than or equal to minus 3. So starting is integer from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, less than 4, that is 3. So this is in form of roster form. Suppose you have a universal set U, means the bigger set containing all 10 elements 1 to 10. Now first A union V, sum of the signs. U stand for union, means get together the all elements of both set or three sets. No need be repeated. This is a sign of intersection, means find the common element of given sets. Its sign of belongs to, either element belongs to, does not belong to, the set of sign of subsets, sign of such that. Now A union B means get together the elements of A and set B. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 in B, 4 and 5 of A. So A union B, get together all the elements of A and B, set A and B. A intersection B means find the common element of both set. 1, 2, 3. These three elements which are common in these two sets. 1, 2, 3. The intersection of these two sets. B minus A means you have to leave the element of set A from B. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can leave the element 1, 2, 3, 4 from 1, 2, 3 from the set B. And remaining is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0. A subset U, because each element of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belongs to U. So A is a smaller set which is a subset of U, because exactly the each element of A belongs to U. A complementary means U minus A, universal set. You have to subtract the element of A, you get the A complementary, represent A raised to power C or A raised to power dash. So therefore A complement A is equal to, after subtracting A from U, you get 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have to learn all the definition. What is set? Phi set which has no element, singleton set which has a one element only, subset you had already done, means the smaller set whose each element belongs to each element of a bigger set. So now write down the subset of this set A, B, C. A has three elements A, B, C. You have to convert it into the subsets. This is a way to represent it. Represent maybe the phi one by one containing only one element of A, B, C. Then get together A, B, A, C, B, C, and last A, B, C. These are the subsets of this set A. Now you have universal set 1 to 10. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You have to verify this law. Complementary of union of two set is equal to the intersection of their complements. So left hand side, first of all A union B. Write down the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Get together all the elements of these two sets. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Their complement means compare the union of these two sets with the universal sets. Leaving these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 6, 8 and 10, which are the complementary of this union of two sets. as the right hand side. Complement of A, which means A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the complement of A? U minus A. The complement of A 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complement of B. B has 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Subtract from U this B. You get the B complement, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Put up the value of this property A complement intersection B complement. So A complement 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intersection of this B complement 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the common element of these two? 6, 8, 10. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, verifying the property of this which is asked in this question. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. In the next exercise you have to find the sum of the properties by using this law. Union of A and B is equal to number of element of A plus number of element of B minus number of element of A intersection B. You have to learn this property to solve the next chapter. Good day.